Hello everyone! I'm Ayana, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to set add-ons. Let's begin! Let's start! This time, let's install an add-on called Shortcut Ver that displays Blender key operations in mouse operations on the screen as an example. First, search for Shortcut Ver in Google and click on the GitHub site that appears at the top to open it. When the site opens, click the Code button and click Download Zip to download the zip file. From Edit tab in the header menu, click Preferences to open it. Open the Add-ons tab and click the Install button. Select the zip file you downloaded and click Install Add-on. If you search by name, the installed add-ons will be displayed, so check it to enable it. This add-on isn't enabled just by checking it, so open the sidebar and click this tab. First, click this button to enable the add-on and display the mouse operation on the screen. You can also change the position where key operations in mouse operations are displayed here. This is a lecture on how to install add-ons. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.